Mahindra Aerostructures in India have actually secured a contract to manufacture the main fuselage for Airbus's H125 helicopter.
Okay.
So that is really significant because that particular helicopter, what it does and what have you, that's really essential to Airbus's sort of fleet from the helicopter perspective. And the fact that there is this growing capability in India to be able to sort of manufacture for this sector is huge. Again, driven by Airbus and driven by this continued sort of like development energy that's going out in the territory. So
lots happening in India, because I think this week on the Launch Strategist LinkedIn page, we did a video, and it was about the growth of the private jet sector and the fact that it's no longer niche. Actually, it's the future of premium mobility, in fact. And in that, we put a statistic that India's private jet fleet has increased by 25% since 2019. So lots happening in India, and definitely somewhere to watch on the space and commercial aviation side of things.
Defense as well. Because within the defense sector, India and France again are collaborating to develop an advanced jet engine, but it's for India's indigenous stealth fighters.
Right.
So I love that. So they're building their own fighters, and they're collaborating to ensure that they've got the right engines and what have you. And this is to bolster their defense capability as well. So there's definitely sort of growth within all of those areas.
100%.
So now not just commercial, not just defense, but also sort of the other bits as well, sustainability too.
Incredible.